Okay. You ready?
I'm ready.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Hi, I'm Stephanie.
And I'm Joe.
And this is Julie.
And we're going to show you how to assemble your indi twin bed today.
All you need is your package and a rubber mallet like this. You can buy it on our website, and if you don't have one, that's okay. We do send you a rubber hammer cap that you can put on a household hammer. And yeah, we're gonna go get our boxes and we will get started.
First, you want to attach your side rail to your headboard side using the included bracket and the JCB bolts.
Line up the green connectors on the side rail cleat with the holes on the headboard side, like this. Push down to lock into place. Grab your hardware from the hardware kit before you get started. Line up the holes on the bracket over the holes on the headboard side and side rail like this. Then take your flat washer, your locking washer, and your JCB bolt and insert it into each hole. Repeat that with all 4 parts. Use your Allen key to tighten each bolt a little bit, and then once everything is lined up and in place, you can fully tighten all 4. Lean one side rail against a wall like this, and have a friend bring your headboard over. Joe! You want to line up the slots on the headboard with the green connectors on the headboard side. We find it helpful to have a friend hold the far end of the headboard off the ground while you line up the green connectors with the slots. If you need to, you can use your mallet to tap the opposite side of the headboard in order to make sure everything lines up. Once everything is lined up, push down on the headboard to lock into place.
Now you just have to attach your footboard by lining up the green connectors on the side rails with the slots on the footboard.
Push down on your footboard to lock into place, and you can also use your mallet or rubber hammer cap with hammer if you need a little help. The last step is to insert your mattress panels. It's nice to have a friend who will carry them all for you. All you do is line up the holes with the green connectors on the cleats and give a little push to lock it into place.